Move-in ready 3-bedroom/3-bath home on a country acre surrounded by large farms. Enjoy feeling like you are part of a farm without any of the work. This well-maintained split level is under 10 minutes to Kerr Dam, Lake Gaston, Microsoft and BOYDTON. Go fishing at the Steel Bridge boat ramp on Lake Gaston one day and at North Bend on Kerr Lake the next. Hardwood in living room, dining room and 2 of the bedrooms. Recent upgrades include stainless steel appliances, gas furnace, resurfaced asphalt driveway,